Hello everyone, welcome back to Traders Corner. Hope everyone had a nice weekend. So in this video, I'm just going to discuss about how Nifty Bank Nifty performed on Friday and what can be the levels
Hi
for
traders.
tomorrow. Okay, so I think in my previous videos, I have said
You can
very
see very
clearly.
clearly.
I think in this video, I have mentioned.
Okay, so these are the levels which I have given yesterday. Previous high. So the next ultimate targets, I'm sure this will be the immediate target. 17,935 to be taken out. I don't know whether it's tomorrow in the upcoming
So
days.
in this video, I have said like very clearly, since Nifty has breached this level, for sure it will touch this level, and then only we can see any further levels. So I just pulled this video just to show you like how it performed. So let's see what has happened in chart. See the levels exactly what I have marked. Since this level is breached, market did not give a chance for anyone to touch this level. So this is how institutions they perform or they do manipulate. Like when this Nifty reach this level, nobody will have a guts to go for a long position. It's because we don't know exactly whether it will break through or it will fall from here. So in this video, what has happened? See very clearly, they did not let any participant, like even if it was a flat opening or little bit of gap up or opening in this area, opening around this supply zone, and if it might have closed, we might have initiated trade. So anybody would have got a chance to participate this rally until here. But institutions, what they have done, already they bought huge levels here. So the next day when it opened, it reached exactly the levels I have given. They made a fall and see where they have taken the support. See, this level I have marked already. So it has made that it took support here. Again, it touched this level and started falling down. So I have mentioned here in this point, like in case if there is a solid bullish candle closing in this range, we can expect a target to this range. So, but what they have done, they already did a gap up and the target is hit already. And currently, the market is taking support in this area. At the moment, if you see, I think US 30, like at the moment, it's on positive note. If you see on daily time frame, they are around 32 points. It's not actually, yeah, they are 32 points on plus. And also, this is a stress cell zone. There is a possibility for DJI to reject from this area. So let's see what happens in our market. So currently Dow Jones is in supply zone. So if they give a solid closing above this one, then we can expect an upside rally. So in turn, what will happen? Like we will have same positive momentum in our market also. Okay. So this is the levels. So again, if we see the lower levels are still intact, there is no change in the lower level. Okay, so the lower levels will remain same, and even this area also it will remain the same. There is no change in this. This will come in this area. By chance, if market gives a solid closing below this demand zone, we can expect a sell-off. In case if it is a bullish candle opening and if it sustains between above this level 17,848, and if you get another confirmation candle like follow-up candle, you can wait for higher levels. So the okay, this is done already. So this is also okay. So the downside will remain same. I'll just mark the levels on the upper side. This will be a sell zone. I will remove the previous old line. So currently for the moment this will be a sell point. Okay. So this is a sell zone. Until here we have the resistance. We need a close above this for the market to go higher. So in that case the hurdles it can be on top, first level, and after this there is not much strength over here. Above this it can be sideways movement to reach this point. We don't have. Okay, it can be a range bound market from this point until it goes up. Okay, so these are the levels for Nifty for Monday, that is for 27 September 2021. As label. Until here, you will have a solid momentum. I hope above this, Nifty might struggle to go up. Like if you see in the past, like over here, they just make small candles, one momentum, small candles, and momentum. So they won't let any retailers to participate in this area until unless anybody have a clear view. Okay, so if it closes solidly over here, then we can expect Nifty to go like this. If they sustain this level, the next target is here, and we don't know exactly what will happen in this area. Wait for price action in this area, whether it goes up or down. There is a possibility again, once if it goes to this range, there is a possibility for market to fall back to this level. And again, if there is a solid rejection from this area, there is a chance for Nifty to come to this level. And as I said here, if there is any close below this range, we can expect the market to fall again from top. So these are the levels for Nifty, and these are the levels which I have given for Bank Nifty on Friday. There was a gap up, and this was the level I have marked. You can see here, it respected both the levels. See the zone where I have marked exactly, the wick went to that point, and it got rejected from here. And again in this zone, price like opened in this zone, and it did not close above this resistance. It came down again. There's a consolidation, and all the way like I have mentioned here, if there is a flat opening and if it market comes here, and if it breaks down, then it might further go down. If not, it will consolidate and it will try to go up. So I have marked here in this like green candle, green arrows, if it is a flat opening and if it sustains. So it happened other way. It rejected from top, it took support, it came here, it came to this level, it gave the first target. Like for example, if it takes entry from here, this is the first target, and I have marked this one. And you can see again, since there is a first rejection here, second time market did not go above this range. They just tried to push it in this, but they failed because of the selling pressure, and market came all the way down here. And again, as I mentioned here, there was no candle closing below this range, so nothing happened over here. So even in Bank Nifty, you can say like there's not much change. I'll remove this, remove this. So you can see in this trend line is broken. These are future levels. Okay, so I will remove this one. This one will remain valid. Okay, so tomorrow I hope there is a possibility for positive opening. So in that case, if market again, sorry, making a, I feel there is some bit of distribution happened in this area. So before falling down, I think institutions they have already made the distribution, so they are in their position. So this all-time high, like all first time huge selling, even second time it came, there is a huge selling once again. So in case if market tomorrow, if it breaches this area with huge red volume and followed by an confirmation candle, as I said again, wait for retest. You can initiate a sell here, keeping this high as stop loss. You can initiate a sell for the first target of this one, second target is this one. Sorry, first, second, and look for what happens in this area. This is you can say a minor support or the demand zone. If we get a solid selling over this one, then we can expect huge fall in bank nifty. Again, look for 15 minutes or 5 minutes. In case if the fall is heavy, look for two consecutive candles in 5 minutes. In case the type of length of the candle, if it is too big in 15 minutes, look for two 15 minutes candle to cross below this zone. Again, initiate a sell upon retest. First target, second target, and if it bounces in this area, again look for price action. And if there is single candle, don't blindly go for buy in this area. Sometimes they will trap it, they will give one green, or else they will give in such a way huge green. By the end they will make it as a huge rejection candle and market will go down. So in that case, kindly wait for always follow up candle or the confirmation candle. Then again, if market is giving you a chance, make an entry on pullback. Wait for first target. Look for breakout or rejection. Look for second target. Okay. This is how anybody should initiate a trade. Okay. So these are the levels for bank nifty. Okay. So meanwhile, I would like to show you guys something. I have few stocks in my list which they can perform well in the upcoming week. So the first one is Strikes Pharma. It's approaching a zone. The next one is AE Small Finance Bank. And one of the best stock you can say is for the moment it's Yet Limited. It's in the perfect 0.618 levels. If it sustains, we can see like very good bounce back from this area. The first target it could be 17,063. Second target can be 1950. So first target 1763, second one 1950. You can see there's a huge volume buildup in this area by the end of the day, and also it is in a proper support in minor time frame. KPR Limited, I think they have given a stock split of 5:1. So because of that, it has reached from levels of 2,200 to 461. Anybody, if there is an investor, it's good for them to invest in this stock for the moment, because we can see after the COVID fall, there is not much major correction at all. So the what we see here, it's because of the split. And next one is at Inox Wind Limited. You can maintain a stop loss of 91. You can make an entry at current levels. Aim for a target of 120 and 140. Max Finance Limited. And even Max Finance Limited, it is in a trend line support, and it is at a demand zone also. So you can look for a swing trade. Current price is around 1045. You can accumulate till 1025 for the target of 1060 and 1080. And next one is PTC Limited. PTC Limited, like it made a higher high. Retest done in 3 months and monthly, and it is in a proper support in a weekly time frame. It got rejected from the level, so you can aim for a target of 112. Retracement again. You can expect it first target of 117. Sorry, first target is 112. Second one, it can be 117. Anybody who wish to trail for more, the ultimate target can be 123. So these are the few stocks which performed in the previous week, like Ingersoll, Rain Industries, BSE, all these things. When I have chart of performance of various stocks, Chalet Hotel, it gave around 23 percentage. GNFC, it gave already 29 percentage and expecting more to go. Indus Tower, it gave 67 percentage. Gujarat Gas, at the moment it is on an entry. So these are the various things. Okay, guys. So look for proper levels, take a trade, save your capital, save your profits. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to get any notification if there is new video update. And if you guys have any questions regarding any stocks, kindly post in the comments below so that I can give you explanation for various buy and exit levels. And all these things are only for educational purposes. Do not take any trade based on anyone's recommendation. Learn your own trading style, learn your own analysis. You can take any trade confidently and you can be in profit. Thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow.